It is time to start making some lighting decisions. And seeing the lights in person, well, it can make a huge difference. So I'm off to meet with our homeowners, Derek and Robyn, and a lighting designer named Kimberly.
Yeah, look at this one. I don't think I looked at that one. Look at this. This is crazy.
Isn't that sleek?
Hi, how are you guys today?
Hi, how are you?
Good, what can I help you with?
Well, we are renovating our entire house, so we need lighting for just about every room.
Okay, exciting. I suggest you start with your focal point, where you want your wow factor to be.
That's an easy one because the dining room is now open to every different direction on the first floor.
So you're saying the dining room is where we can start and we can work off of that.
Yeah.
So here in the showroom, we've narrowed it down a little bit more contemporary up front. As you move towards the back, it's a little bit more traditional.
Ooh, what do you think of that?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
That's a beautiful piece.
Yeah.
Oh, it really is.
So what's the dimensions of your dining room table?
Around 96 inches long.
So that helps us configure the size you want. General rule of thumb is to go half the length of your table without exceeding the width. So this one comes in a 3-light, a 4-light, or a 5-light. They also have multiple options in glass, as well as canopy options. That's the plate on the ceiling.
Okay.
You can get that in black and white.
Oh, good. Like what kind of options for the glass?
So they do a smoke, a frosted, a clear, and a rose gold. I do have one of the glass samples in the smoke. I could bring that around to show you.
Oh, I think that would be
so
perfect.
we could do some of these in clear and some of these in smoked? You could mix
Correct.
and match?
You
Oh,
can
that would
config
look
them
really
to your
cool.
liking.
That
You
would
think?
be great,
Yeah.
Hey, Robyn, Derek, how are you?
Hi,
Kevin,
Kevin.
great
How
to
are
see
you?
you.
All right, how'd the shopping trip go?
It's going great. We found some amazing pieces. I think we have a winner.
Does it help to be in the actual showroom and see and touch and feel?
Oh,
Kevin, how are
absolutely.
you?
I mean, there's nothing like actually being in the place. and
No,
being
I would
able to-
never have picked this if I had just seen it on the page. It doesn't come to life.
It helps to see it in person. So
Oh,
this here is
wow.
the smoke.
Look at the reflection on this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
What are you thinking for that one?
Well, I think we might do a pattern of smoke and clear and smoke and clear and
Oh,
smoke.
nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Anything else on the list, or are we done?
Oh, we need to find a way to tie something at the kitchen island into this.
So this does come in larger sizes.
Oh, okay.
So I would suggest over an island, you want to do 3 pendants over the island.
Okay.
That
If
could
you're
work.
going to stick with the same pendant, I would go with one color. Maybe stick with the smoke, ties in with the cabinets.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
It's beautiful.
See, that's the reason why you come, right? You don't only just get to see the stuff, but you get the professional expertise, the suggestions. So it's probably the #1 piece of advice you give folks, which is go work with a professional, go to a good showroom.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Kimberly's been terrific to work with.
Awesome, love to hear it. All right, decisions made. Nice job, guys. Kimberly, thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
coming.
you.
May I?
Gorgeous.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.